Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this Morelo vehicle, very much a premium vehicle. This is the Morelo Palace 91 LBK, and this will cost over 400,000 euros. And we're going to have a look inside it, and just to enter only with staff, but I think they know who I am, so we'll go in anyway. There is immediately, you've got somewhere to take your shoes off as you come into the vehicle. We have got here this enormous, absolutely enormous area for dinette here. Wonderful chairs up front. There we have the bed, which will drop down. And what I really like about this, although we can't appreciate it so much indoors because they've closed the blinds, is the view that this will give. If I come now down to the front, first thing I notice in the driving position on this Iveco, we've got at either end, we've got the mirrors, which are cameras, and that reduces fuel consumption, improves aerodynamics, and I think it's probably more convenient. You've got the left and right sides, so you'll continue to move over. Let the music play. That is the theme tune of the CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, and this is the last time I'm going to hear it this year. It plays just as the place is about to open, and it sort of gets you in the mood. That means to say I'm soon going to get swamped by people coming in here. Okay, see the bed at the back, plenty of space above the bed. Isn't always the case. If there's a garage at the back, then you don't get a lot of space, but in this case there isn't a garage, so you do. We've got a door here, solid door there, comes out, solid door at the other side to make this absolutely enormous washing and dressing area, also with the porcelain toilet down here. Kitchen, we have 2 burners. You could have 3, you could have 4. These things are largely built to order, so you can specify what you want. And here's something which you don't see in many motorhomes. Dishwasher, cupboard, drawers all the way around. Here's something people are always saying they want in the vehicle. It's an oven. This one's from Bosch, and it's got that much space inside. And where's the fridge? It's here. Here we've got a wardrobe, stacks of space in there as well. If I come to the wardrobe, into the fridge, and that's what the fridge looks like inside. Again, it's from Bosch. Here, something I particularly like. These pull-out pantry things. I find them very, very useful. In fact, not having one, I had one in my last vehicle, and that is something actually I really miss. They're really convenient. Right, now the carpet's been put down here to protect the floor because they won't have to sell this vehicle at the so they want to protect as much as they can. You could leave it on, but if you did that, then you would not have access to the storage in the double floor. Oh well, sorry, you would do, but I mean it's a bit more difficult to have access to the storage in the double floor. Note also down there we've got storage under the bed as well. If I now move myself around and coming out of here before anybody finds me in there, take you to the back of the vehicle. We've got storage. You've got this opens with central locking key fob system. It hasn't got a handle to open with. Also notice that the awning has been built into the vehicle, and that's something you don't often see even with more luxurious motorhomes. Right, so I've tried to give you a rather quick overview of the vehicle here, but I have done things which are much longer. In fact, I've been to the factory and I've done things from there. It says they're 15th anniversary of the company. Very quick overview of it, but thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and bye for now.